Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. So we'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, try to find app called Google Classroom. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use for this classroom. Then select this plus button, join the class, enter the class code in the pool right here, and you should be able to click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.